In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn your mouse into a laser pointer and change its color in Microsoft PowerPoint. This is a simple but powerful trick that can instantly make your presentations more engaging. A laser pointer helps you guide attention to exactly what matters on your slides, text, charts, or visuals, without cluttering the screen or interrupting your flow. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. If you don't have it yet, download and install it from the official Microsoft website so you have the latest features and the best compatibility. Once PowerPoint is open, go ahead and open the presentation you want to use. If you already have a file, click File, then Open, and select your presentation. You can also start fresh with a new presentation if you're building one from scratch. The key is to have your slides ready before you begin presenting. When you're set, enter presentation mode. Click the Present or Slideshow button at the bottom right corner of the PowerPoint window. Your slides will switch to full screen, which means you're officially in presentation mode and ready to interact with your content. While your slideshow is running, right-click anywhere on the slide. A menu will appear with several tools designed for presenters. This menu is where you'll find options to interact with your slides in real time. From that menu, look for the option called Highlighter. When you hover over it, a small submenu will open. In that submenu, select Laser Pointer. As soon as you choose it, your normal mouse cursor transforms into a laser pointer. You'll see a small dot that follows your mouse movements. Use it to direct attention to key points as you speak. Move steadily, pause briefly on important elements, and avoid waving it around too quickly so your audience can follow along comfortably. If you'd like to change the color of the laser pointer, you can adjust this in PowerPoint's pointer or presentation settings. Pick a color that contrasts well with your slide background so it's always easy to see and matches your presentation's style or theme. A quick tip: use the laser pointer sparingly. It's a highlight tool, not a constant companion. Bringing it out only when needed keeps your audience focused and makes your emphasis more impactful. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be able to present with confidence and keep your audience engaged. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss future tutorials.